My husband planted 4 pumpkin seeds this morning, and so let's see how it grows. After I started watering 2 times a day, the bougainvilleas are greener and are blooming. Giving my sourdough starter a hefty feeding because we'll be leaving to my sister's in a few days. So, yeah. Then I'll put the starter in my fridge. I'll leave it out for a little bit, and before we leave, like in a day or two, I am going to put this in the fridge to let it sit and have a slow rise for the next few weeks. Well, keep well, Miss Hyso. Hello and good morning. I'm making dal again for lunch. Just slicing up some tomatoes because we have plentiful of tomatoes from our neighbors, from our friends and neighbors. So I will put them in dal, that's lentils, Indian style lentil kind of soup or stew, where you pour over rice and you have it with other dishes as well. That would be lunch. I will probably blanch some spinach to go with the rice. I'm making another batch of cumin rice because it's just well taken. Mysore dal, and this is the chana dal, the chana split peas. So I soak them, and now they are about to go in here after I put the chopped tomatoes in.
I guess it comes with
Yeah,
one order.
one order. This park, really, it's just tranquility for me. Cheese enchiladas at the park.
That's what we should do, just come put a blanket down.
I'm not a big fan of corn tortillas. I like flour. I think they're gonna have a play here, honey. That's why they started setting up chairs. Like this is look at the stage.
Oh.
This is the first time I've seen these pink flowers. I think I Googled them that it's they're called pink trumpets. Oh, they are so lovely to see. This is the first time I'm seeing these flowers. So don't mind me walking around and just admiring and seeing the bees, eating the nectars out of these flowers. Somebody left their spoons, plastic spoons here. You hear that? Oh, there they are right there. There's one. Since I cleaned out the fridge and we are going away, we just ordered pizza in. It's my holy basil that was given by my Indian auntie. And I am gonna clip some to put in some masala chai. I just feel like having masala chai. So, trim this. Let's do this. Okay, and then I'll keep the leaves. Then take some of the leaves and put them in while I boil the black tea. Here are my whole masala mix. Oh my goodness, these are from India from a friend, and I think it's been 5 years now. They keep really well in an airtight container and they still smell fresh. So I'm gonna pound some in with some fresh ginger, and then I'll add it all to the pot that's been boiling with the black tea. So yeah, it's been boiling, so I've added a tea bag, and now just let it all boiled. I'm gonna put in macadamia nut milk. Now I'm gonna add in a little bit of sweetness, just a little bit. The macadamia nut milk is a little sweetened, but not as sweet. So that's why I added a little bit of sugar. And I think I am going to add, mix in whole milk, just a little bit, because it is not as creamy as I thought the macadamia nut would be. So yeah, cheers.